Now let's go ahead and get started with designing the title page. This is really happening now. Okay, so let's start putting the pieces together. Make the following decisions for your title slide. First, the text location, right, for the main title. Second, the text location for a subtitle or normal text, the background color or image, shapes, stickers, icons, music. I'm encouraging music here because this is kind of the landing page, and it might be nice for you to set the mood with some music. Okay. And because this is your title slide, people can hear the music and then they can kind of get into the zone of your presentation. All right. So now that we're talking about music, you might realize, oh shoot, I would really like to do music. So you might want to add even kind of a little boombox to your icons. So let's go up to make a Google search. You don't have to go to Google, but you know, even boombox, you know what I should do? Portable speaker. And I'm going to choose a transparent background. Save image as. I have one of these, by the way. Okay, I'm going to save it in Pagesdale. And insert it here. Oh, it's not supported. Okay, so I don't know how to know when it's supported and when it's not, so I'm just going to try it one more time. I feel like it's not going to work again. Yeah. So we might have to find something a little bit more generic. Maybe this one will work for some reason. But I want the transparent background still. I don't think this is gonna work. Oh man. Yeah. These pictures are not going to work. I had a picture of a portable speaker for another presentation that I did. So let's see if I can find it. All of a sudden just got really tired. Wow, this is much more time consuming than I wanted it to be. Okay, but this is going to work really, really well, I think. It has like a mix of the different colors. You can just put a little boombox in the corner. And we can get a link to YouTube with any music that you'd like. So let's say you want instrumental metal. So there you go. As you're getting pumped up for your meeting, right? I'm pumped. Like I said, I was feeling kind of tired all of a sudden. Okay, so great. Icons with links. And now let's say that you have like quiet time or break time, and then that's your go-to link with music. So we're going to make the title page. My background color for the title page is going to be red. I'm going to get this hex code color. You see how easy this is? Background, choose the color, custom, put my hex code, there we go, done. Beautiful, right? Very easy. Now I want my header. I already know this is going to be the font for my header, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it. Very easy. Now where am I going to put the header for my title page? And I actually really like to put things in unsuspected places. So I'm actually going to put my header down here, and I'm going to make it really, really big. I mean huge. Okay, and I'm going to align it down to the bottom and to the side. And I'm going to do 75. Okay? Just kidding. 90. Okay, so here's my header. And then I'm going to put the other text to the side. Right here. My normal text and my subheader. I can copy them both at the same time. And there they are. It's kind of noisy. Alright, and there you go. The subheader and really all of this could be different colors. And I think what I'm going to do is give this a white highlight. I do this pretty often. I just put a period on the ends, and then I make the texts white, so it kind of goes away, but it makes it feel a little bit more full. Okay, header, and then my subheader and whatever is just going to be in white here because it's thicker, and then it's going to be black, and I'm going to have my little paper plane. Is this kind of boring? Actually, you know what, it actually is kind of boring, but you know what, I fucking love it. Alright, so this is me. Okay, this is how I'm going to have all of my presentations when people first come in. And I think this little airplane could actually probably be I love that. That is beautiful. Okay, and I'm just thinking, is there anything else I'd want here? I might want to have like some random shapes. So I could, see like what's going on here. Transparent and black. But remember, I have this custom color here that I'm using. And I could just kind of, you know how people have like random stuff going on with shapes and stuff. Rotate and make it a little bit bigger. And then make it smaller and rotate it, and then separate them. And then rotate them. Make it bigger. Oops. I gotta move this one. Then I'm gonna move this one and that one. Then I'm gonna rotate everything. Alright, and I think that looks really, really good. And what's probably going to end up happening is I'm saying header, but I'm probably just going to do like pages Dale. So I do need to make it smaller. LC. Let's make it like 45. And then these need to be smaller, like way smaller. So let me just bring this down. And then we could probably make this like 15 or 20 or something. And then good. So proposal, we can do consultation proposal. And let's say I'm doing, let's see what museum. I can say for Word Up Museum. And I like that. Is it like perfect? No, but that's okay, because it's your template. It's not like, it's okay for things to be like a little quirky here. And I actually really like it. I think actually the one thing I don't like is that the plane is like running into the fucking, excuse me, I didn't mean to say that. Alright, it looks really good. Very random, very much like a lot of the other presentations that you have. And then if you really want to get cool and maybe a little bit more bougie, as they say, you could even have it going off the edges on both sides. And that's when, when you're in situations like I am right now, where people can kind of see your presentation while it's not presented, it looks a little bit cooler. Okay? I actually really like this. Oh, I designed that template. I actually have a YouTube video. Okay, so it looks really, really good. Now, one thing that you could do to try and introduce people to your scheme is to change some of these colors with the fill or the outline so that they anticipate them coming later on. And the thing is that the outline doesn't really work very well. So let me fill this in with the yellow. And I think that is gorgeous. I'm I'm not even kidding. I love this. I love it. I think it's so cute. Okay. I love it. So let's make sure I have everything for the title page. I have the text location, the location, background color, shape, stickers, icons, and oh yeah, if I wanted to have music here, I could put the little boombox. And let's say that I want to have music and I paste it, but I don't actually want to see the boombox. And what I can do about that is I'm aware of what's going on. And some of you might not mind the boombox. It's not a problem. But if you know where it is and you know where to click, what you can do is go to Format Options, and you can take away the transparency so you can't see it. And so now it's there. Oh, you know something? This is for if you want to play it outside of the slide. But if you want to play it within the slide and make it clickable, you'd have to do it differently. So let me just show you how to do that really quickly. Can you imagine I'm talking to people about crossing barriers and there's like instrumental metal, like that's crazy. Great. So let's bring this back. Now let's say that you have this link. So you copy the link and you insert the video. And this way you can play it, and actually it'll keep playing now. They've made it so that if you add a video, it will keep playing. Format options, position, size, rotation. I can't make it transparent. Okay, I can't do that. But let's say I delete this. And I would still like to play it on click, but I don't want to see it. How could you do that? I'm going to tell you the truth. I do not have a perfect solution. I do not have a perfect solution. You might want to do so that it plays on click, because I don't have a way for it not to be visible. If you hide it behind a block of color, you won't be able to click it. So you might as well just have it play on click and move it to the side. And then it's there. When you click it, should start playing. That's interesting. It wasn't playing. So hold on. Okay. I don't think it's playing. We would have to figure out what's going on with this. Okay, so that's interesting. Maybe it's not playing because it's not on the side. Let's see. Yeah. That's what's happening. So then what you can do is cover it with a block of color. Because it's playing automatically. Now you can cover it with a block of color. Oh, that's not the right color. And you don't have to worry about it anymore. Just kidding. Alright, so you do have another option. You can download the music. You can download it, and you don't have to connect it to any outside link. Okay, but either way, let's maybe go over that at another time. I'm really, really enjoying this design. I hope you are too. So go ahead, take about 10 minutes and design your title slide.